In the ever-evolving world of drone technology, DJI continues to push the boundaries with their latest creation, the DJI Neo. This new model promises to shake up the industry with its sleek design and cutting-edge features. In this deep dive, we'll uncover the DJI Neo's specs, its unique innovations, and what makes it a standout choice for both veteran drone pilots and newcomers. The DJI Neo is setting a new benchmark for lightweight drones. Weighing just 230 grams, it's currently the lightest drone ever released by DJI, lighter than a typical water bottle. Despite its compact size, the Neo delivers impressive performance, challenging even the heftier models on the market. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its foldable design, which enhances portability. This feature allows users to effortlessly pack the drone into a bag or even a pocket. Constructed from magnesium alloy, the Neo balances durability with lightness, reflecting DJI's dedication to creating a drone that's both robust and easy to carry. The DJI Neo excels with its state-of-the-art camera system. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 48-megapixel camera, it captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. This high-resolution capability ensures every shot is detailed and clear, ideal for creating captivating aerial footage or high-quality images. The 24-meter MEM lens provides expansive views, allowing for wide-angle shots that cover more ground without frequent lens changes. The DJI Neo comes equipped with a range of advanced flight features. Its obstacle avoidance system detects and navigates around potential hazards, enhancing safety and ensuring a smoother flight experience. Additionally, Active Track 5.0 enables the drone to follow and capture subjects with precision, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. Although DJI has yet to announce the official release date and pricing for the DJI Neo, early indications suggest it will be competitively priced, potentially even below the DJI Air 2S. If these speculations are accurate, the Neo will offer great value for its advanced features and capabilities. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it an appealing choice for both new and experienced drone enthusiasts looking for a versatile and portable aerial tool. The DJI Neo represents a significant leap in drone technology, combining a lightweight design with advanced camera and flight features. As we await official details on its release and pricing, the DJI Neo is set to make a notable impact in the compact drone sector. Stay tuned for updates and explore all that the DJI Neo has to offer. For more detailed reviews and the latest in drone technology, subscribe to our channel and join the discussion in the comments below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.